friends, welcome to Cassia Naturals, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. So today I'm going to share with you how I've been using Clove. It's been now 1 month in our challenge of 1 month Clove. I'm so excited and I'm thrilled how time has flown, friends. Like, it's already 4 weeks and I didn't even realize that that it's been 4 weeks actually of using Cloud. But of course today I'm not going to give an update. You know what? Because it's so busy. I need to do like all the treatments, follow all the treatments, and give an update. But of course, look out for that video next week by God's grace. Yes, next week, because life happens and I have a lot on my plate. Just if you belong on this channel, I do low manipulation hairstyle. So this is the hairstyle that I did actually, for church. Like simple hairstyles that I love very much. Yeah, so subscribe to our channel, comment in the section below, and I really appreciate friends, for subscribing, for commenting, and for sharing our videos. So like I had made 100 grams of our clove, but of course I'd made a big batch, like I mentioned in my 1 month clove, because I didn't want a situation whereby I remake it, that's quite a task, right? So I had to make quite a huge batch, but I only used 100 mils of a clove in 1 month, like so. So as you can see, of course we had used quite a lot, and only a small amount is remaining, friends. So like clove works very well. It's been working very well, friends, and our hair is growing and it's looking full of, friends. Yes, so I've been using clove for 1 month, but of course I did try clove. It's been 4 months. Yes, so now I wanted a situation whereby I would use it consistently. That's the reason why I had to embark on 1 month clove challenge, so that I can use it consistently, for hair growth. Whatever product I use on this channel, it has been researched. Like, I don't just join the one wagon and start. What I do is I do research and find out more about that product. So that is the same what I did with Clove. I found that Clove has a lot of benefits, friends, for the face, for the healthy overall, like your hair, like for everything, even in food. Some people add clove as a spice in food, but haven't yet tried out that. Yes, and that some people say that it also works for a toothache, but haven't tried out that. One day I'm going to post a video on how you can actually help if how clove can help you if you have a toothache. Yes, so subscribe to our channel, comment in the section below. So of course, friends, like I've shared quite a number of videos on how you can make clove, cold press, hot press, how you can make clove oil. A lot of videos on clove. I will link them in the description box below so that we can check them out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to moisturize my hair now with some clove. So make sure that you watch this video until to the end. And one thing you need to do is that make sure that you go in with an oil or a butter to avoid drying out of your hair, or to prevent breakage, because some naturals experience a breakage after using clove. So make sure that you use it in combination with an oil or a butter, whatever your preference. So friends, as you can see, like this hairstyle is still looking beautiful. Like, I didn't want to distort it, but it's that time to moisturize our hair, so we don't have an option here. So our hair is getting thicker, as you can see. So if you have thinning hair, or probably your hair is you are losing your hair, or your hair is thinning out, clove is going to do wonders for you. And if you have dandruff, like clove will also protect your scalp from dandruff, because it's actually a major cause. The dandruff is actually a major cause of weak and thin hair. Yes, so clove also contains anti-inflammatory agents which further help in hair thickening. It helps to reduce hair fall too. So with the presence of vitamin K in clove, there's better circulation which stimulates hair to grow. It treats dandruff, flakes, and relieves the itching associated with it due to its anti-inflammatory properties. And it also prevents the graying of hair, due to its antioxidants. The compound found in clove helps to promote hair growth. When applied to the roots, it can also repair, strengthen, and add a healthy shine to the hair shaft when applied regularly. So clove also has powerful antiseptic and antifungal properties that can get rid of, flaky or itchy scalp. Friends, as you can see, like our hair has improved a great deal. As you can see, friends, like I don't just say this. I don't like lies. In fact, I hate lies. Like I'm always truthful in what I say. If you've been on long on this channel, actually notice that our hair is growing. Our hair has gotten darker, and it has actually some volume. So I'm going to pin that after moisturizing. You can even do it in sections, but I'm going to do in bigger sections. I don't want a lot of work. So clove also contains, eugenol, which promotes hair growth when applied to the scalp. This compound contains antimicrobial and inflammatory properties that can be beneficial for your scalp. Eugenol has also certain androgenic, effects of properties that thus it can slow down the effects of androgens on your hair follicles, boosting hair growth in people suffering from androgenic alopecia. So if you have androgenic alopecia, clove will also work wonders. Yes, provided you are using it consistently. It's not a one-day thing whereby you just use it and then you're like, it doesn't work. You need to be consistent and you need to exercise some patience. So clove will also give that shine to your hair because it's a natural conditioner and helps to lock in the moisture in the hair, and it can also be used as an effective treatment for dull or dry hair. And it will also reduce split ends and frizzy hair, giving you shine hair and lustrous hair. Yes, so subscribe to our channel, friends, if you haven't, and give this video a like. And if you have tried out clove, comment in the section below, friends. Yes, so I'm going to pin that section. We are almost done, friends. Like this was so simple in doing this. Yes, so I want to keep this hairstyle in for at least 1 week. So like I mentioned earlier on, I'm going to share with you, the results. Yes, so this video actually was done a week ago, and we are actually in the second month of September. And I thank God because, I'm going to share the final results of using clove for 1 month. Yes, so we are done at this point, and I'm super excited. So now you can also use it, on your edges. Make sure that you're moisturizing your edges, friends. As you may be aware, our edges are very fragile. They're prone to breakage. So make sure that you don't neglect your edges. So I'm going to go in with an oil. So the oil that I'm using actually is a stimulating herbal hair growth oil. I've shared quite a number of videos on how I make stimulating herbal hair growth oil. I'll link them in the description box below so that we can check them out. Yes, and I appreciate, friends, for watching, for subscribing, and give this video a like. Are you going to try out clove? Comment in the section below, friends. So thank you so much for watching. God bless you. See you in our next video.